Number 17. The table shows some features of blood vessels. Which row shows the feature of a vein? So there are three types of vessels, blood vessels. The first one is called artery. Artery has small lumen and thick wall. The thick wall has like muscles and elastic fibers. The artery has a very thick wall because it has to withstand a high pressure. Since the lumen is small, the lumen, in other words, is space, is small, the pressure remains high constantly. But for veins are bigger than the arteries. They have thinner walls, and they have bigger lumen. Since they have bigger lumen, their pressure is lower, so they don't have to withstand that much of pressure. That's why the walls are quite thin. And because of the lower pressure, there's always a possibility of blood flowing backwards. So in order to prevent the blood backflow, there are valves. So it closes down, the valves closes down, or the valves close down, my bad, when the blood tries to flow back or flow backwards. So if the passage is blocked, then they have to move forward. So the question was asking the features of vein. So direction of blood flow is always towards the heart. The vein always sends the blood to the heart. The lumen is always large and the wall is thin, so answer is D. Okay?